Um, how's meeting Tina? Dude, Tina's so sweet. Everyone's so tiny. Everyone is so tiny, dude. I'm a big old boy. Oh my god, dude. so, so I would snap the heads off of these the crawfish, and every once in a while it would just splatter all over Tina, and then she's just like, and then and then we went to Ulta afterwards, and I got this shampoo. This poor girl, I got this shampoo, and Tina was like, "Oh, well, you gotta smell it, see how it smells. I think it might smell like roses." I'm like, "That's fine." So I open up the bottle and I poke the thing open and it squirts all over Tina again. That poor girl, dude. Oh.